Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Imelda Nzekwe. If you're seeing me for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you. Alright, so guys, in today's tutorial I'll be doing a highlight and contour, just like I think 2 or 3 people dropped on my comments that I should please show them how to highlight and contour. So that is basically what we'll be doing in today's video. So as for my lashes and my cut quiz, I'm gonna leave a link of the video, the tutorial that I did. I'm gonna leave the link up here for you guys. So basically, to highlight, you highlight your T-zones, you highlight your cheek, you highlight your nose, you highlight your forehead, and then for contouring, which is what I'm doing right now, you'll be contouring your cheekbone, yes, and then you'll be contouring the tip of your head, if I can call that, but that's basically what I'm doing. Okay, right now I'm contouring my nose. Yes, that's to make it okay. Now let me say, the essence of contouring is to hide some areas. Okay, hide some areas. That's just basically the main reason why you contour. Then for highlights, you bring out, like you highlight those areas. Okay, that is just that. So it's not gonna be a long tutorial, which I've already made sure of that. So right now I'm blending, and I'm blending okay. So why highlighting? What I did here, I highlighted the outer part because it wasn't the same color that I applied. Okay, so why highlighting, try and blend the outer part, then you gradually go into the main highlighted areas. Okay, I don't know if this makes sense, but according to what I'm doing on the video, okay, see this part, I think you understand it more, because here I'm trying to like highlight the outer part, then I'll gradually go into the main highlights, which has 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. But the other one that I highlighted first, it actually has a shade lighter than my skin tone. So while highlighting, you highlight with 2 shades lighter than your skin tone, and while contouring, you contour with 2 shades darker than your skin tone. I hope I'm clear right now. So right now, because of my nose is tiny, not so tiny though, because it's tiny, I'll be using a tiny blender, a beauty blender. I have a very tiny beauty blender that I use to highlight and contour my nose. So right now I'm using the blender to blend the highlighted areas, and I'm using the small blender, another of the blender, to contour, to blend my contoured parts, especially my nose, because it's so tiny, so I can't possibly use the big blender for that. Another tip while highlighting or contouring or doing all those things is try as much as possible to blend very well. This way you avoid harsh lines. I can't stress this enough. Avoid harsh lines. Honestly guys, that is just the basic, because it would be so bad for you to wear your makeup and go out and then you'll be seeing harsh lines. Oh my god, it is so unprofessional. So for that not to happen while highlighting or while contouring, please try as much as possible, avoid harsh lines, blend and blend. I hope You guys understand that? All right. All right, so guys, I'll be using my powder to set my highlight and my contour. I'll be using 2 shades lighter than my skin tone for my highlighting and 2 shades darker than my skin tone for my contour. So that is what I am doing right now. Then I'm still going to, just like what I said earlier, I'm going to use my powder to set my contour, and I'm using 2 shades darker than my skin tone. Next, I'm using my setting powder, which is from Sacha Buttercup, to set my highlighted areas. So just because I've set my highlighted areas with my actual powder, I won't be applying much of my setting powder. I've gone outside the camera to do my lips, so I'm dusting off the excess setting powder. And for my lip tutorial, I'm gonna leave a link for you guys where I did my lip tutorial, so you guys should just try and check it out. Okay, and hola! Wow guys, this is amazing, this is gorgeous. Wow, thank you guys for watching to this extent. Please kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed. See you guys in my next video. Try and check out my other videos. See you guys in my next one. Until then, stay loved, stay blessed. Bye.